In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best way to make money online in 2026. Currently, I'm in Costa Rica right now at one of the most luxury resorts in the whole world. This is the Ritz-Carlton Reserve. There's only about 8 of them in the whole entire world. And the only reason I'm able to travel and stay at resorts like this is simply because I have a business where I can make money no matter where it is that I am on earth. Although there's a lot of people out there that make a lot of money, a lot of them are forced to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week. And they don't really have true freedom. They might have a lot of money, but they are still doing the rat race. They have a high paying job and they still have to ask for vacation. So if you're watching this video right now and maybe you're already making 6 figures a year, 7 figures a year, but you're looking to find something that will allow you to get your time back and still be able to make the same amount of money, if not more money from home, then this is the video for you. Again, my name is William Rivera. I'm the founder of ecomdegree.com, and I've helped over 20,000 plus people make money on the internet. And if there's one thing that I'm really good at, it's at finding trends before they become a trend. So for example, from 2017 to 2020, I made a lot of money with Shopify dropshipping. Then from 2020 to 2025, about this year, I made a lot of money selling name brand products on Amazon. And you may know me as that Amazon guy, or you've seen videos on my channel about Amazon. And while Amazon is still the king of e-commerce, right now, what I believe is the best way to make money online, especially if you're a beginner or if you're struggling on Amazon, is selling products on the Walmart marketplace. Yes, the Walmart marketplace. And the reason why I love Walmart right now is, number one, it's a blue ocean. I don't know if you guys can see the ocean behind me, but it's a blue ocean. And there's only 150,000 sellers on the platform right now, but over 200 million buyers. So I'm going to walk you through step by step what I would do if I wanted to make my first $10,000 online a month in 2026. So number one, I would get an LLC. You can get an LLC on LegalZoom.com. You can get it, I think there's a company called Inc. You can go to those websites. Those are like third parties that will actually go and get the LLC for you, so you don't have to deal with the paperwork. You will have to pay a premium, maybe like $200, $300, or even $400 for them to do it for you, but that's the easiest way to do it. Now, if you're tight on cash, I would just go and handle it yourself. You can go to the Secretary of State website for whatever state that you live in. So for example, if you lived in Florida, you would just Google Florida Secretary of State, and on that website, you would go and get your LLC. Now, the reason why you need an LLC, not only to save money on taxes, but the reason why you need one is because Walmart requires you to have an LLC. Again, it's not that expensive, maybe $100 or $200 for wherever you live, unless you live in a state like California, then you might have to pay like $400. If you live in California, you should move because you're paying 50% in taxes and they're taxing you for LLCs. So I don't know why anyone would live there, but get your LLC. After you get your LLC, go and create your Walmart seller account. So go on Google, just type in Walmart marketplace seller, and then it'll take you to a page. Probably the first link that pops up will be a page where you can sign up for a Walmart seller account. And then once you create an account, now it's game on. Now really the first step is to actually find a profitable product to sell. And it's the same strategies that I use to build my Amazon empire. And it's the same strategies that I've used to help a lot of people make money on Amazon. The same strategies apply to Walmart, except Walmart just has less competition and you're paying less in fees. So you're actually making more profit per item. So if you haven't seen any of my product research videos on my channel, I would highly recommend you go and watch them. But to give you the most simple way to find a product right now to sell on Walmart, what I would do is I would go on your Google Maps app on your phone and type in distributors near me. Then also type in wholesalers near me, and then you can also type in liquidation centers near me. Those 3 will pretty much give you a lot of places that you can visit in your local area. You can simply call them, email them, or you can drive to the physical location. And those are places that have name brand products at a discount that you can resell on Amazon. And I'm talking about name brand products, like brands that people already know, like, and trust. Because when it comes to selling products online, yes, you can create your own brand. Yes, you can create your own product, but that's probably the hardest way to make money online. Not only that, but when the economy is down like it is now, you want to be able to have a business that's recession proof. And when the economy is down, people stop buying the things that they want and they only buy the things that they need, which is why I've made my fortune selling products like toilet paper, Bounty paper towels, water, things that whether the economy is doing good or not, people still need them. And that's what you want to sell. Because during COVID, guess what? People like me were still making money, but people that were selling jewelry weren't. Because during COVID, when the economy's taking a and people's stock portfolios are crashing, they don't care about jewelry. They still care about the necessities that they need in their home though. So type in those lines in Google Maps and start visiting those places in your local area or calling them and asking them if they have name brand products at a discount. 9 times out of 10, they will. And those products you can start purchasing and seeing if they're actually profitable to sell on Amazon. Now, the way that you see that before you actually purchase the item is you download an app on your phone called Scan Profit. Scan Profit will tell you if that item is profitable to sell on Amazon. And there's another app called Source Dart. That app will tell you if that product is profitable to sell on Walmart. I highly recommend you sell on both Walmart and Amazon. Walmart is the most lucrative opportunity right now, but a lot of my students make 7 figures a year selling on Walmart and then another 7 or even 8 figures a year selling on Amazon, just simply because Amazon has more eyeballs. So that's what I would go ahead and do to find your first product. Now, the next thing that I would do, I would hire a virtual assistant to start doing the product research for you, because you don't always have to visit physical stores to get products. You can actually go on websites like, for example, VitaCost or Frontier Co-op, EE Distribution. Those are just some websites off the top of my head that are distributors that actually have inventory online to where you don't have to go to their physical location. You can simply order it online and have it stored in Walmart's warehouse or Amazon's warehouse. And then every time you get an order on Amazon or Walmart, they will ship it directly to your customer. So I would have a virtual assistant that has experience working with another Amazon seller or a Walmart seller start doing product research for you. Because guys, the way that you get rich in America is you have leverage, right? Like, think about it. When you walk into a gym, who's making the most money at that gym? It's not the front desk person. It's not the trainer in there. It's not the janitor. It's the gym owner that's not even there. And it's because he's buying all of his employees' time while he's at home chilling, or in Costa Rica like me, his employees are all working and producing him revenue. You need to do that. And even if money's tight, even if you don't have a lot of money, you can do it by hiring overseas employees. For example, instead of you doing product research, you could hire a virtual assistant from Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, pay them $3 an hour, which is good money for them in their country. If they live in the Philippines or if they live in Pakistan, India, $3 an hour, and you could make them work maybe 2 hours a day. So you're only paying them, let's say, $6 a day times 7, less than $50 a week. And now they're finding products for you on a daily basis. And these products can make you $1,000 profit a month, $2,000 profit a month, $3,000 profit a month each product. But they're doing the research for you and they already have experience. Again, highly recommend you do this, especially if you're employed. While you're at your job working your 9 to 5, these virtual assistants could be still working from 9 to 5. So while you're making money, they're finding you products. So when you get off work, you already have products that you can list and that you can sell. I actually have a PDF that walks you through how to hire a virtual assistant. I'll include that in the description and I'll let you guys go ahead and grab that for the free, just because, I try to provide as much value as I can. Now, with those simple steps that I've already explained, creating an LLC, creating a Walmart account, Amazon too, and then hiring a virtual assistant or doing the product research yourself through the Google Maps method, that alone can start producing that first couple thousands of dollars a month in profit every single month for you, especially if you're selling on the Walmart marketplace that has less competition and literally has 250 million buyers, but only 150,000 sellers. If there's one thing that I want to leave you with in this video, it's that one of the things that people don't talk about on YouTube is that no matter how good the opportunity is, timing is very important. My phone literally overheated. It's so hot in Costa Rica right now. But what I was saying was, if your timing is off, you won't make a lot of money. So you have to have the right vehicle, you have to have the right system, and you have to be doing it at the right time. And right now, it's a crazy lucrative time to be making money on Walmart. So if you want to learn, in the description, or you can just go to ecomdegree.com/Walmart. You can register for a training that I'm hosting very soon, where I'm going to be showing you guys from A to Z how I've been helping people make money on Walmart, like this kid that I literally helped make over 6 figures in less than 30 days. So again, guys, I'm going to go enjoy my time here in Costa Rica. If you made it to the end, comment real ones down below. I want to see who my real ones are. I think YouTube told me that less than 3% of people actually make it to the end, which is crazy. But let me see if you're actually in that 3%. Go ahead, comment real ones down below. And if you like the video, smash the like button for me so YouTube can push it to the algo. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.